Kate here, and today I will be demonstrating several mascara applications based on a 1933 photoplay article. Each look is intended to highlight and enhance a different eye shape. In keeping with the makeup of the era, I will be using an old-fashioned cake mascara for these looks. However, if you only have modern tube mascara, that should work as well. The original article reads as follows. May Clark, whose eyes are dark, oval, and of normal size, finds that an even fringe of dark lashes above and below is becoming to her type. Wet your brush, brush on the darkener, separating the lashes with the brush to make a natural-looking frame for the eyes. With auburn hair and hazel eyes, Lillian Bond finds a heavy fringe on the upper lid, a slight accent to the lower, a proper finishing touch to her eyes. This procedure applies to most light eyes. Always shadow lower lashes very discreetly. Kathleen Burke has decidedly almond-shaped eyes. This type should brush on darkener lightly, accentuating the outer lashes heavily to emphasize the slant and exotic effect. For heavy lashes, brush on a second coat after the first is dried. Unforgettable, these Garbo eyes. Beautiful, glamorous, disillusioned, they set new precedents in beauty. Notice how clever makeup accentuates the outer lashes, leaving the inner lashes almost untouched. This adds subtle charms. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.